Hello friends, this is Avinash from TechnoS Instruments. So today we will see how IndiRAM Raman spectrometer can be used for pharmaceutical raw material identification application. So use of good quality raw material is of utmost importance in pharmaceutical manufacturing process as it provides improved drug efficacy and reduced risk of contamination. So we have with us commonly find raw materials from APIs like metronidazole and azithromycin and some solvents like ethanol, acetone, etc. So let's see how IndiRAM handheld Raman spectrometer can be used to identify these pharmaceutical raw materials. So IndiRAM 1064 nanometer handheld Raman spectrometer is a 21 CFR Part 11 compliant system. So we'll now try the few API. So it is matching and comparing, and it says metronidazole, which is actually the API. We'll again go with another API. Matching and comparing again. Azithromycin. We'll also see one liquid raw material. Comparing. So it matches with acetone. So this is how IndiRAM handheld Raman spectrometer can be used for raw material identification in pharmaceutical manufacturing process. Thank you.